Welcome all. Welcome to Financial Freedom. My name is Samir Bapat, and today we are going to learn about triangles, a consolidation pattern. As we all know, I'll just share a whiteboard. As we all know, the price, the stock price or price of share index, it will not go up in a straight line. Agreed? How many of you agree? Those who have observed on TradingView, it will never go in a straight line up like that. It will always go up, then come down, up, and then maybe something like this. It will go up. Agreed? Yes, no? Type your answer, yes, no, something. Hello. Okay. I thought my voice is not coming. Okay. One more question. You are able to see this whiteboard? If you are able to see this whiteboard, just type W. Yes, okay. W, great. Thank you. So what happens is a price of any share will not go like this straight line. It will not go up. First of all, like what we learned in Fibonacci, it will go up in waves. It will go up, retrace, again go up, then retrace, then go up, and then retrace, and then go up, something like that. This is called a uptrend. Similarly, the price when it is falling, when the market or the price is falling, it will go down, retrace, go down, again retrace, and again go down and retrace, again fall. This is called downtrend. So the price will keep going down, 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 down. So this is nature of uptrend and nature of downtrend. After the price has moved for some considerable time going up, it will start moving up and down, something like this. Up and down, something like this. It will remain in the same location for at least 2 to 3 months, 4 months. Sometimes it is moving like this for a year also. This zone is called consolidation, where either the big players are buying more stock or they are frustrating the common investor and handing over. When they are buying more shares, they move the price up and down like this and they frustrate the common investor. Common investor loses patience in 2 to 3 months, 4 months ki arey yaar kuch bhi nahi ho raha hai, I purchased the share, it is not going up, it is same where I purchased, it's almost 6 months, I would have put in FD, it would have grown, something like that. They will get frustrated and might exit the stock. And big players will be slowly buying here if he wants to. Big players, it's not one player, it are multiple players, if they want to take it up, or they will be, after an uptrend, they will be slowly handing it over to the common investors, and after consolidation the market will go down. The point here is, whenever the price starts moving sideways, this is, we can say, consolidation. Many call it sideways. Both is same thing. Consolidation or sideways, both is same thing. So there are only two ways of movement for any stock. It will go up and consolidate. So uptrend and consolidation, or uptrend and sideways movement. So this entire movement is called, anything moving like this, something like this, for very long duration, maybe 2, 3, 4 months, it is called consolidation. Like Sandeep said, it is distribution. It can be distribution. It can be accumulation. They are accumulating. Big players are accumulating for it to go up. So this is what is consolidation. Everyone okay? So far so good? Can I get yes from all of you if you are clear about consolidation? What is consolidation? Yes. Okay, great. Now, I'm hoping that everyone studied triangle in their school education. And just to remind, triangle has three sides. Okay, so this is 1, 2, and 3. So everyone agrees this is a triangle. How many of you agree this is a triangle? Yes, if you agree, yes, okay. This is also a triangle. How many of you agree this is a triangle? No one. एक भी yes नहीं. Yes, okay. Now, how many agree that this is also a triangle? Correct? Great. Thank you. Now, what we are interested in is, see, and this is also a triangle. This is also a triangle. Definitely, this is a triangle. This is also a triangle, and so on. Now, from the stock market perspective, we are interested in the triangles like this, which are compressing on the front. Something like this. If, see, here, this side is bigger. Let's call it A. Side A is bigger, and the area is getting smaller and smaller and smaller as it goes ahead. So this area, let's call this point B. B area towards B is smaller. Similarly, if we have something like this, and this is the triangle, then this area, this is not area, this side A is bigger, and as we go towards this side, towards your right side, then the area becomes smaller and smaller. Similarly, if we have a triangle like this, then this side A is bigger, and as we go towards the end, the area, this side becomes smaller and smaller. This side B becomes smaller and smaller. So we are interested for stock market trading to identify this triangle. So I'm very specifically focusing on how the triangle will appear. We are not looking for triangles which may look like this, smaller at the left hand side and bigger on the right hand side. No, we are not looking for such triangles. We are not looking for triangles which are smaller on the this side and bigger on this side. No, we are not looking for such triangles. We are only looking for visually the triangles which will appear either like this or like this or like this. So these are the three triangles what we are looking for. We'll be not looking for any other triangle other than this. The price action will appear in this form. Everyone okay? Everyone understood what type of, so we are looking only for three types of triangles when we are trying to spot it on the price action. Correct. Sandeep is saying forward contracting. Yes, it is forward contracting. So we are trying to identify the triangles in this format only. Now, second is to draw any line. In childhood, we have learned that if you have 2 points, then by joining the 2 points, we can draw a line and extend it further. If so, it becomes this direction's line here. If you have 1 point, then we can draw the line like this, like this, like this, anything like this. it will make no sense. So as we have studied in childhood, we need at least 2 points to draw a line which will have some direction sense. Okay. So whatever I'm saying as of now will start making sense when we move forward. I'm just creating the foundation. So now what happens in the stock is typically the price goes up. Oh, the price goes up, then it starts coming down, may consolidate for some time, then again it goes up, it starts coming down, then goes up, then comes down, and when we are spotting, it is somewhere here. Now, if you see towards this picture, then this may not appear to be having any triangle or anything like that. As you will practice and as you will see, if I join this top and this top, so these 2 points I have joined and further extend this line, I join this bottom here, I join this bottom here and further extend this line. Are you able to spot a triangle here now? My drawing is not so good, but are you able to spot a triangle? Type T if you are able to spot a triangle. Yes. So what will happen is on the chart in price action, we will be taking one something like that. We are trying to spot something like that, something like this here. So what will happen is if we join the top and extend, we join the bottom and extend, it becomes a triangle. I'll change the color of the tops. See, this is joining the top here and we are joining the bottoms. So this area looks like trapped in a triangle. So price appears to be trapped in a triangle. Let me quickly take you through the few examples, and again I'll come back to the drawing board. Okay, here see, can you see this PI Industries chart? Yes, no? This PI Industries chart is coming on your screen? Yes, okay. See, here the price has gone down. Of course, with some training, with trained eye, you will be able to see what I'm trying to show you here is, say this is the price action. So we have to develop little skill to spot the triangles. So what happens is, I'll explain you and then you'll be able to spot. See, price went down, down, down here. It went up, again went down. So I have the price is appearing to me to be trapped in a triangle. If I go to here in the tools on the left hand side, if I pick up the ray, let me take to the top of this price action here, join the price action top here, and the ray is extending. Then let me take it to the bottom here. I'll join the bottom, again join the bottom and take it. So now are we able to feel or experience that the price is trapped inside a triangle? It's like a bouncing ball which is bouncing inside the triangle. It came from here, it bounced from here, it went here, bounced from here, went here, bounced from here, and came out. So this is the triangle. So why we are studying triangle? Because see, from how long it took, if you see, if we take the tool date range, if you see, it started consolidation from almost here till here. See, April, May, June, almost July. So 3 months, the price was going up and down. So it is not that it will come something as a surprise for you. That is point number one. Point number two, because it took 3 months, the person who might have bought here on April 2nd might get frustrated that it is going down, then it is coming up, then going down, your price kahin ja nahi raha, I am already in loss. Someone might come out, book a loss and come out, he might not show interest and all. Then after 3 months, it starts going up like that. So as a person who knows technical analysis or who is learning technical analysis, we should be looking for such patterns with these triangles. When they are forming, we should be looking out for those triangles. And the beauty of this triangle is, when this triangle is forming, we should not jump to conclusion that nahi, if triangle form ho raha hai to upar hi jayega. Nahi, it's not like that. If it is forming, it will not go up. We have to wait for it to close properly above this line. Let it close nicely above this line. Then it is called that the triangle is broken. There is a breakout of the triangle. If it is followed with a good volume after breakout, then it is very good. That breakout is good. Third is how far it will go. Triangles give the measure. So how far it will go, for that, let's measure. I want someone to calculate it for me. This is the high and this is the low. So this is the highest point, starting point. This is the lowest point here. Can someone calculate 3035 minus 2365? 3035, let me calculate. 3035 minus 2365. 2365. It is 670 points. Okay, so I'll add this 670 points in 3035. Sorry. Add this 670 points where the breakout has happened. So we have got this 670 points, and this is our breakout point. So let me take this breakout point as here, which is 2670. Add this 2670 into 670, it will be 3340. Fantastic. So now triangle, when I see the triangle, a classical definition is whenever the triangle breaks out and it comes out from here, it will travel equal distance of this high and low. Correct. So 670 points, it will travel from here. So let's say, let's add 670 points from here at this point. If we add 670 roughly, okay, so 670 point is here, somewhere here roughly. So the price will went somewhere here. See, after coming out from this breakout point till here, it traveled almost 670, then moved sideways and then went down. So it delivered its promise. Okay, so Vinay is asking to explain again. Well, okay, I'll explain again. How about others? How many of you got the concept of triangle? Can I have yes? Okay, explain again. 670. Yes. Okay, little bit. Okay, good. So we will repeat again. Now that you have seen it on the chart, I'll go and repeat it on the whiteboard. So we'll understand much better, and then we'll come back again to this chart. So what happens is, when the price goes up, the price starts getting compressed within a band, and it gets the price movement goes smaller and smaller and smaller. So it might appear that it is, first it will be appear like this, then it will not cross the previous high. It might start going again back down from here, but it will not as well cross the previous low, and it will start going up. This entire process from here to here, it will almost take 2 to 3 months, 2 months to 3 months. Then that triangle is a solid triangle. You will get a good results out of it. You will get a good movement out of it, and like that on a daily chart. Now, how to draw a triangle on this? We will join the top and extend the line. We will join the bottom and extend the line. Let me change the color also for user friendly. Okay, so let's say this is the top and this is the bottom. This is the triangle we have formed. Okay, so far so good. Everyone okay? Yes, no, yes, okay. Now, from this point to this point, let's say the distance is x. Okay, थोड़ा सा mathematics है. Those who hate mathematics, I cannot help you. You have to be with me. Okay, so from this point, the top of the triangle till bottom of the triangle, the widest part you have to measure, let it be x. Whenever the price comes out of the triangle, if it comes out in this direction, from here to here, it will go x points up. In case if it falls down, it is not guaranteed that it will come up. So we have to wait patiently for it to come out of the triangle. Let's say it comes on the downward side. If it comes this side, then it will fall by x price. So this is how we have to measure how far it will go up, how far it will come down from here. This is the x. Okay, everyone okay? Everyone good? Yes, okay. Now again, let's go back to the chart. Okay, just hold on. Just hold on 1 minute. Now this is the chart. See, now I'll take one example of price falling down. Okay, let's take first for ACC. See, this ACC cement, ACC is part of Adani Group. Hindenburg report came somewhere here, this part here, right? Now, Hindenburg report came somewhere around January, 25th January, 26th January. But if you see the price action, it went up. The price went up, went down, again went up. It did not cross the previous top. It stopped here, came down, again started to go up. It did not go below this till this point and here. So if you see from here, almost if you see from here till here, almost 86 bars, 3 months, almost 3 months, 123 days, almost 4 months. ACC cement was going up, coming down, going up, coming down. So common investor would be frustrated. Maybe their big players were exiting, they were selling off, we don't know. But if you see from the part of the triangle theory, if you join the top and the top here, okay, so it is, we are having a slanting line. We have a, if we join the bottom and bottom, can we say this price is trapped in a triangle? Yes, no? Now, once it is trapped in the triangle, like I said, it can go up, it can go down. We should not be sure कि नहीं नहीं अभी triangle में है तो ऊपर ही जाएगा. We have to wait patiently for it to come out and close outside the triangle. Once we know that, then we have to calculate how far it will go. So we have to take the highest point here and the lowest point here. Okay, so this is how much point? Almost 580 points. The highest point is around 2786. I'll draw the lines for ease of calculation. Hold on. And this is the lowest point. Okay, of the triangle. So 2785 minus 2205. It's almost 580 points. Agreed? Everyone agrees? 2785, which is the highest point here, and 2205. So the difference is 580. Here also it is showing 580. Now this difference we pick up and put it where it has come out from the exited. See, this is where it broke this triangle and this price closed outside the triangle. It is very important to declare that the triangle is broken, that the closure should be outside the triangle. If I zoom in here, you can see this price closed here. Okay, so we can say the triangle is broken. We take it here, we measure it here. How far the price will fall? See, the price fell almost till here, and then the price fell till here and then it started consolidating. So this is how the triangle measurement happens, and this is how you can determine the target. Coming to the post which I have sent for L&T, if you all remember, I had sent in the group. Sometimes this will also happen. See, L&T, how many of you can see that, okay, this price is trapped inside a triangle? Yes, no? Now, I have sent it on the, no? Vinay, why no? Yeah, ओके नहीं भाई, यस है या नो है? ओके कैसे हो सकता है? ओके ठीक है. Okay, okay is also acceptable. So we can see this price is going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, and it has come out of here. It has closed above this triangle. So how far it will go? You must be wondering how I gave the target based on this. So what I did was I calculated from this point till the highest point. So this is our almost 250 points. Then I will put it here, pick it up here and place it here. So our target is somewhere here. This is our target. थोड़ा सा नीचे रहेगा. Maybe here. We can calculate exactly how much it will go. Somewhere around 2500, because it has a tendency to touch till the panel. So this is how I have given. Since I was little delayed in identifying and it has come down and it has touched the triangle again, it is fine, perfectly fine. We have purchased as per the share, it is purchased here. There is a likelihood that it will go up till here. But we are playing the game of probability. There is no guarantee in stock market. These are all theories which may happen, may not happen. We have to be always be ready with the stop loss. So what is the stop loss? Stop loss, I took it as the Ichimoku indicator black line. This black line as a stop loss. I have mentioned 2170. So if it closes below this, you must be thinking max to max. You can keep it as long as it is above this line. If it closes below this line, then you have to exit, because then there is a possibility that it will go down by 250 points this side. Okay, so if you are buying based on the triangle, you can hold it till it goes to 2500. But if it goes below this line and closes below this line, definitely you have to exit, because there is a possibility of it going down by 250 points. Clear? Everyone clear? Yes, no? Yes, okay. Now, is this theory only valid on daily chart only? No. I just want to show you a Titan chart. This is a Titan chart which I have seen while preparing for this class. So I thought, okay, why not show it on the weekly chart? So I'll change this to weekly chart. Okay. Now I'll remove this indicator here. This is a Titan. Okay, very fantastic story, Titan story. And see, this is trapped. Can we say that this price is trapped in this triangle here? Yes, no? Okay. This price is trapped in this triangle since all this price is moving sideways almost from here to here. That means this is when, if you see this price 18th October 2021. So if someone would have bought on 18th October 2021 and today it is 17th April 2023. So almost one complete year of 22 and few months, 2-3 months this side and 3 months this side. So 1 year 16, so 1 year 6 months, that is 18 months. If some fellow would have purchased this Titan here on 11th October 2021 and it is still remaining here, वो यही बोलेगा ना यार, it was better I would have put the money in FD. It was such a wonderful stock, but for last 1.5 years it has not gone anywhere. It is at the same location. I think stock market is not for me. But if he looks here now, we have not invested in Titan. We look, it is forming a fantastic triangle. How many of you can see this triangle? Correct, na? Now, if we are student of technical analysis, we will see, will we jump and buy it? No, we will wait patiently. It may take few weeks, but earning money in stock market is all about patience and buying at the decent time. So now we can patiently wait for it to cross above this line. Let's say this line is approximately 2791. So let's say 2800. Once the price closes above 2800, we can buy peacefully. We can buy about 2800. It will be its lifetime high, everything, but it will be assurance to us, not a guarantee, assurance to us that it is likely to go up. Okay, very good. How far will it go? So let's measure how far it will go. 2800, and the lowest point as per the triangle is 1790. So sorry, 1825 and 2800. Can I say roughly 1000 points? 2800 minus 1825, 1000.975 points. Okay, if it comes out from here, 2800 plus 1000 point is 3800, right? Around somewhere around 3800, roughly. Hai. So now we have seen the Titan on a triangle. As a technical analyst, we will keep patience. We will keep eye every week. Friday, we can see the day it closes about 2800. Even though it is a lifetime high, many people will say, no, it's a lifetime high, ye, wo, niche aane do, vagare. But you can as well take some probability and buy it. It might go from 28 to 38. Kuch nahi to ek kitna hai? 33% gain. How many days will it take? Roughly, if it comes out here, assuming it comes out here, it is 427 days. In 18 months, it is consolidating, 19 months, 20 months, it will consolidate, but it will take only 10 months to reach here. So from here, let's say 10 months, kitna hoga? May से 10th month लगा लो तो around January, February, right? So let's say here. So let's see after 1 year what happens. In case if it goes up, the target for Titan to reach by 3800 is next Jan Feb. Let's take conservative. By Feb, it will go up till here, or by Feb or before it will reach there. So whatever time it takes to consolidate, half time it takes to reach to its target, almost half times or less. Stop loss after buy, you can hold it as long as it is above this line. If it closes below this line, exit. Fine. Everyone okay? Everyone good? Okay, great. How many of you have learned something new today? Can I have a type N if you have learned something new today? Okay, great. So many people, great. Nice to see. Hope you enjoyed. So there are a lot of, see, I'll just take you quickly, just as a practice. What is this? ये क्या है विनय? करेक्ट नहीं, इसमें 2 पॉइंट चाहिए अपने को. सी यू हैव मेड पॉइंट द बॉटम लाइन, नो, you have taken only one. That's why I said it needs 2 points to draw one line. Okay, now if you see here, ये देखो ऐसा होना चाहिए. Adani Ports, let's see Adani Ports. Okay, see Adani Ports, ये 1 point है. This is top, this is top. So you join top by top, then you join bottom with this bottom. Okay, so top to top, bottom to bottom. So you need 2 points. Got it, Vinay? And then it broke down, it came. How far? You can measure this. You can measure this. It will come till here. If you want to see quickly, just for practice sake, let's see from here till here. Okay, if you pick up and keep it here, it almost came here and then stopped. Okay, quickly let me show you few examples. This is Bajaj Finserv. This is consolidation. Okay, this is consolidation. Then we have Bandhan Bank. Kahan hai bhai triangle? This is a triangle. Again, it has gone down. This is a very steep triangle. If we join here and join here, it will take some practice to identify. Okay, so it is not because I'm trying, you'll be able to see very fast. So what I'll be doing is for next 4 weeks, 5 weeks, I will be sending message on the group that okay, this stock is forming a triangle. I'll not draw the triangle, nothing. I'll send it on the group. I want participants to draw the triangle, and then we can have a discussion maybe after 1.5 weeks. Sometime maybe Wednesday, maybe next Wednesday, sometime we can have a discussion. Okay, how many of you were able to identify that triangle? So I'll just send where the triangle is forming. I would request everyone to draw and practice, and then they can correct after 1.5 week. We can have a review session and they can correct whether they have done or not. So that way you'll have practice. You'll get the eyes set for finding the triangles. Let's see, Bosch Limited, we have triangle. Yeah. No, it's a consolidation only, then DLF. Okay. So DLF again, this is a consolidation. See, it's another thing of triangle. This can also happen and then it shoots up. JSW Steel, here is a triangle. went down, went up, went down, shot up, closed above. How far it will go? This plus this, it will go till here and maybe go up or come down. So क्या time हो गया? हाँ. So important point is we have understood what is triangle. Second is from now onwards I'll be sending wherever the triangles are forming, I'll send you the live update that okay, something like this. Let's say Bata. I'll send in Bata. You can. This is also, this is not a triangle, but this is a consolidation. If it breaks this consolidation, goes above, like this is one form of consolidation which you can see. This is happening. If it goes above here, it will go till at least it will go to the size of box. It will go here. It might go again till here. So Bata India, I would request all participants to keep an eye. If it goes up, you can buy here, hold till here. If it goes below this, exit the trade, because then it might go the equal distance down. That is the danger of consolidation. Always you have to remember, you cannot convert a short-term trade into a long-term trade. Okay. Okay. So any questions? Any questions? I'll allow you to unmute yourself and ask if you have any questions. If no questions, then we can call it a day. You can unmute your mic if you have a question. If no questions, then yeah, Anand.
Sir, I have a question. When we will draw inclined line with a 2 point, so like regarding the stop loss, so how we can calculate, because it's an inclined line, every day it will change because we are just considering day chart.
See, here we have taken this LNT, for example.
Uh-huh.
So now this line is our stop loss. So you can draw it, take a picture and save it, or you can see it visually, na कि इसके ऊपर है या नीचे है. You want to put it automated system, something like that, is it? नहीं, आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है? आप ऑटोमेटेड सिस्टम लगाना चाहते हो कि जैसे ही नीचे आए तो मुझे पता चल जाए?
हाँ सर, करेक्ट.
ओके, ये थोड़ा सा मुझे पता नहीं कैसे कर सकते हैं.
अच्छा, ओके, ठीक है.
आप एक ग्रेडियंट क्या कर सकते हो, आप अगर ऑटोमेट करना है तो इसमें जो है ये वो एंगल डाल लो और उस हिसाब से फिर ऑटोमेटिकली कैलकुलेट करते चलो उस ट्रायंगल के ये एंगल से. यू कैन कैलकुलेट इफ यू वांट टू ऑटोमेट.
दूसरा एक पॉइंट था कि जब हम लोग वो इंक्लाइन लाइन जब ड्रॉ करते ना रे सर, तो जैसा कि वो बॉटम लाइन है तो एग्जैक्ट जैसा कि लोएस्ट अपन अगर समझो 65 फॉर एग्जांपल 65.4 कुछ है फॉर एग्जांपल, तो 65.4 जो है वो एग्जैक्ट नहीं आता है सर, वो थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे ये होता है.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा आई एग्री, इसमें थोड़ा आर्ट एंड साइंस है. मतलब एग्जैक्टली नहीं आएगा, थोड़ा सा एक लीवे देना पड़ेगा अपने को उसमें कि ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा.
ठीक है सर. अभी दूसरा एक पॉइंट था सर कि जैसा मैं कभी कभी क्रूड ऑयल में भी करता हूँ सर थोड़ा सा. तो उस लाइक वो उसमें क्या होता है सर, मंथली रहता है. जैसा मई का अप्रैल का लाइक ये होता है. तो अभी जैसा सर वो क्रूड ऑयल का ऊपर नीचे होता है लाइक दैट, तो वो एक्चुअली गारंटेड रेट कैसा पकड़ने का सर, क्योंकि हर मंथ चेंज हो जाता है.
इसमें क्रूड ऑयल में एक तो मंथली है आपका. आप एक महीने से 15-20 दिन से ज्यादा कर नहीं सकते इसमें. एक क्रूड के चार्ट
15 को खत्म हो जाता है, वो
15 को खत्म हो जाता है, 15 के ऊपर नहीं कर सकते आप. तो इसमें आप जो है इसमें अगर पैटर्न्स पकड़ना है तो डेली मत पकड़ो आप इसको, 75 मिनट्स का चार्ट ले लो.
अच्छा, ओके, 75 मिनट्स. ओके,
75 मिनट्स का चार्ट पकड़ लो और उसमें अब आप ट्रायंगल ना हो, कंसोलिडेशंस पकड़ो.
ओके,
ये देखो, ये कंसोलिडेट हो रहा है.
करेक्ट, गॉट इट सर. उसको जैसा क्रॉस करेगा तो एंट्री करने
है ना. ये आपका ये बॉक्स बना लो इस पे, करीब करीब ऐसे मान लेते हैं, ये बॉक्स बना लेते हैं इस पे.
राइट,
ये बॉक्स बना लिया, इसको बॉक्स को क्रॉस किया जितना, जैसे ये बॉक्स का विड्थ है, जैसे कंसोलिडेटेड हो गया ये आपका, ये है. ठीक है, रफली ये बॉक्स आ गया आपका.
हाँ राइट,
क्रॉस किया है, जितना बॉक्स का विड्थ है उतना आप ऑप्शंस पकड़ रहे हो, तो
ऊपर जाएगा।
हाँ।
गॉट इट सर।
फिर अच्छा, दूसरी चीज ये है कि इसमें ना थोड़ा सा ट्रिक ये है
हाँ
कि नीचे जाएगा या ऊपर जाएगा क्रूड में टिपिकली, क्योंकि क्रूड
राइट सर।
वर्ल्ड ओवर चलता है। तो उसमें
हाँ
अगर
हाँ
ये ऊपर का विक्स अगर बड़ा होने लगे, ये जो ये
ओके।
है ना विक,
हाँ 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 हाँ
ये अगर बड़े होने लगे तो देयर इज अ लाइक्लीहुड दैट इट इज गोइंग टू गो डाउन।
हाँ हाँ,
जब नीचे के विक्स बड़े होने लगे,
तो ऊपर जाने का, ओके, तो ऊपर जाने का चांस
हाँ,
है।
तो एक अपने को वो प्रोबेबिलिटी मिलना चालू हो जाती है कि ट्रेड किस तरफ लेना है।
गॉट इट सर, गॉट इट।
सेम इज फॉर स्टॉक। स्टॉक में थोड़ा सा कई बार मैनिपुलेट हो जाता है। अब जैसे एलएनटी का ही दिखाता हूँ, ठीक है ना, ये सेम
हाँ
चीज अगर हम इसको ले लेते हैं एलएनटी में,
हम्म।
कि ये स्टॉक ऊपर जाएगा या नीचे जाएगा, ठीक है ना, क्या
हाँ
है
हाँ,
प्रोबेबिलिटी। तो उसमें ये देखो आपका,
बिग
जब ये
अगर
स्टॉक
ऊपर
ऊपर
है
जा रहा
बड़ा,
है, देखो ऊपर के विक बड़े हो रहे हैं इसमें,
राइट, तो
नीचे
नीचे जा रहा
आया,
है।
नीचे के विक बड़े होने चालू हो गए,
राइट राइट
ऊपर
राइट
गया नीचे आया विक बड़े, ऊपर गया विक बड़े, नीचे हुए विक बड़े हो गए।
राइट।
अब ये ऊपर गया उतना विक बड़ा नहीं हुआ, ठीक है, बट ये
हाँ हाँ,
नीचे आए नीचे के विक बड़े हो गए। तो अगर ये नीचे के विक
करेक्ट।
कंटिन्यूस में तीन चार बड़े हैं तो देयर इज अ हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी कि हमारा जो ट्रेड है, हमने जो ले
हाँ तो
रखा है, उसका सक्सेस का प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा है। वही आप क्रूड में या कमोडिटी या गोल्ड किसी में भी कर सकते हो। अगर देखो इसमें ये विक बड़ा है, ये विक है बड़ा है, नीचे के छोटे छोटे विक है,
राइट सर, समझे। मतलब
ऊपर
अगर
के
ऊपर
बड़े हैं,
बड़ा है तो नीचे आएगा, और नीचे बड़ा है तो ऊपर जाएगा। दैट्स इट,
बस।
अपोजिट।
यस।
गॉट इट सर, ठीक है सर,
ठीक है,
ओके, अच्छा
वो
आपने बताया सर।
क्रूड में पकड़ने में अच्छा रहेगा, वो फटाफट पकड़ जाएगा आपको।
सर दूसरा ये था कि जैसा
हाँ
बीच में वो आपका लिंक था, मतलब मैं अभी वो आपका क्लास ज्वाइन करना चाह रहा हूँ सर। तो
हाँ,
एक बार लिंक भेजेंगे सर उसके ऊपर, तो ताकि
कौन सा क्लास?
पेड मेंबर, सर पेड मेंबरशिप का कुछ आपने भेजा था ना सर।
हाँ, एडवांस प्रोग्राम है वो।
हाँ हाँ,
आप मेरे को व्हाट्सएप भेज दो ना, मेरा ये नंबर है,
ठीक
मैं
है ठीक है
डिटेल,
ठीक है।
मेरा नंबर है आपके पास?
हाँ है सर, मेरे पास है
ठीक
आपका।
है, उस पर व्हाट्सएप भेजो, फिर मैं आपको भेजता हूँ।
ठीक है, ओके सर, ओके।
ठीक
थैंक यू
है,
सर।
ओके, थैंक यू। इनफी में कम डाउन टू,
डाउट
या
सर, ये पता कैसे चलेगा कब ट्रायंगल बनाना है कब रेक्टेंगल बनाना है?
वो धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस से आ जाएगा।
ओके।
मान लीजिए आपने ट्रायंगल नहीं बनाया, ट्रायंगल की जगह रेक्टेंगल बना दिया, मान लिया मैं इसको कि कुछ और ले लेते हैं अपन, जैसे टेकम का है, ये टेकम एक बहुत दिन से एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ। अब जैसे ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है काफी,
जी।
ठीक है, तो अब ये इसमें अगर हम इस पूरे जोन में देखें यहाँ से यहाँ तक, तो ये बहुत ट्रायंगल भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, रेक्टेंगल भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। तो ये इसमें लाइक इट इज मोर अप्रोप्रिएट टू हैव अ रेक्टेंगल, कि ये इस जोन में पूरा हो रहा है, ठीक है,
मतलब एक ब्रॉड लेवल पे देख के
ब्रॉड
हम
लेवल
देखें
देख के,
कि क्या
हाँ।
बन पा रहा है।
हाँ, और जैसे आप अभी इचिमोकू सीखने वाले हो तो उसमें जैसे हम लेते हैं इसका, मैं आपको एक उसको हम इचिमोकू से सीखने की कोशिश करेंगे। उसमें क्या होता है कि ये जो फ्लैट्स होते हैं, ये जब ये ब्लैक लाइन फ्लैट होने लगती है ज्यादा दिन तक, ये ग्रीन लाइन और ब्लैक लाइन वो मैं डिटेल में इचिमोको में समझा दूंगा। जब ये चीजें फ्लैट ज्यादा देर तक होने लगती है, तब वहां पे हमको ट्रायंगल्स देखने या रेक्टेंगल देखना है, और कहीं देखने की जरूरत नहीं है।
ठीक है सर।
दिस इज इंडिकेशन की जैसे इवन एलएनटी में देखेंगे हम, तो एलएनटी में जो अभी की सिचुएशन है ऐसी, ये ब्लैक वाली लाइन जहाँ फ्लैट होने लगती है और ग्रीन वाली लाइन जहाँ फ्लैट होने लगती है, वो
जी।
जोन हमको देखना है कि ये ट्रायंगल बन रहा है या रेक्टेंगल बन रहा है। तो वो कैसे पकड़ना, क्या पकड़ना, वो अपन उसमें सीख लेंगे।
ठीक है सर।
ठीक।
थैंक यू। थैंक
सर मेरा फिर से एक क्वेश्चन आपने बात
हाँ
करो। आपने अभी जो वीक का बताया सर, तो मैं जस्ट अभी क्रूड ऑयल में देख रहा हूँ।
हाँ हाँ,
तो जो आपने वीक्स बताया वो अगर ऊपर है तो नीचे जाने का चांस है,
करेक्ट
और अगर नीचे बड़ा है तो ऊपर जाने का चांस है।
करेक्ट।
लेकिन सर वो टाइम कौन सा देखना है सर, मतलब डे में देखना है, या वो पूछ रहा था सर।
आप जो ट्रेड कर रहे हो उसमें देखो ना, आप अगर 1 आवर में ट्रेड कर रहे हो तो 1 आवर देखो, रूल
सर
सेम
मैं
है।
अभी सर मैं भी 15 मिनट्स का देख रहा हूँ, जैसा कि क्रूड ऑयल,
हाँ
तो वो अभी मेरे को मतलब रियलाइज
ये
नहीं
है
हो
ना
रहा है
आपका
सर
क्रूड
जैसा।
ऑयल का, ये है ना अभी खुला हुआ है मेरे सामने।
हाँ सर। हाँ
तो अभी क्या दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, दो दो इसमें क्या दिख रहा है आपको?
सर अभी 6300 का मैंने बाय किया है सर, अभी 6300 का।
अरे नहीं सुनो ना दादा, अभी ये दो
हाँ सर,
कैंडल आपको क्या बता रहे हैं?
ये वीक में जो है वो नीचे लेफ्ट वाला जो है वो वीक बड़ा है, तो
हाँ
ऊपर जाने का चांस है, राइट
है
सर?
ना, और इसका विक भी बन रहा है अभी, अभी ये क्लोज
हाँ
नहीं हुआ ना
राइट।
कैंडल इसका, नहीं अभी कितना
हाँ
बजे, 10 ही बजा ना अभी तो।
हाँ
तो अभी इसका जब इसका वो हो गया क्या 2145, ये 50 है ना, तो अभी इसका ये ये 19 अप्रैल 2145 ठीक है। तो इसका अभी पूरा बनेगा ना, तो ये दो आपको बताएंगे कहाँ जाएगा। तो अभी मोस्ट लाइकली अगर इसके विक ये ऊपर चला जाता है, दो का विक लंबा हो गया, तो डेफिनेटली इट इज सेइंग कि यार थोड़ा इसका मूड है ऊपर जाने का।
अच्छा ओके। हाँ तो मैं वही सर थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हुआ था, आपने बताया तो मैं जस्ट स्टडी किया, तो वो थोड़ा सा मतलब वो नहीं हो रहा है सर, कि क्लैरिफाई नहीं हो रहा है इस पे,
हाँ इसमें
क्योंकि
वही
अभी।
मतलब सी देयर आर मल्टीपल
हाँ
मेथड्स टू कैच, ये
हाँ
मुझे
सर
सबसे
समझा मैं। एक
है ना।
एक वो व्यूज हो सकता है, मतलब चांसेस है ऐसा होने की।
हाँ और दूसरा ये है कि ऐसा नहीं है कि हर बार यही होगा, बट ये
करेक्ट
थोड़ा सा
सर।
हायर
ठीक है,
प्रोबेबिलिटी गेम है
ठीक है, गॉट इट सर। हाँ
है
ठीक
ना।
है सर, ओके ओके।
विक
हाँ सर, हाँ
लंबे होने लगे तो थोड़ा प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा रहती है इसमें।
हाँ सर, समझा मैं सर, ओके सर,
ठीक है,
थैंक यू, थैंक यू सर।
ओके।
Good evening, Samir.
हाँ जी गुड इवनिंग।
Jayesh Modi here from Abu Dhabi.
हाँ बोलिए।
Just I wish to know that once it breaks out,
हाँ हाँ
how much time frame we need to consider, how to calculate the time frame, then it will achieve the target, like the way we consider the point of the LNT,
हाँ हाँ
250 points, there are high probability it may go up.
करेक्ट।
But what should be the time frame which we need to consider, and how to calculate the time frame?
Time frame will be half of the time it took to form the triangle. For example, if we are looking at LNT, अरे मेरा ट्रायंगल कहाँ गया, अच्छा चलिए फिर से बना देते हैं। सी ये इफ आई सी फ्रॉम हियर इट स्टार्टेड फॉर्मिंग द कौन था, सॉरी हु वाज आस्किंग, अनम्यूट कर लीजिए।
Myself, Jayesh Modi from
हाँ
Abu
जयेश
Dhabi.
जी ये देखिए यहाँ पे ये जो LNT का है, ये 23 दिसंबर को बनना चालू हुआ। यहाँ से अपन मान लेते हैं 23 दिसंबर से लाइकली है कि ये बनना चालू हुआ, ठीक है। तो 23 दिसंबर से हम दिन गिनना चालू कर देते हैं, और ये करीब करीब हमारा 5 अप्रैल को ब्रेकआउट हुआ। मतलब जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, 3 महीने वो होगा, 3 महीने और कुछ एक 10-15 दिन चेंज, तो 90 दिन और 100 दिन करीब लग गए इसको
Yeah,
ट्रायंगल फॉर्म होने में, करेक्ट।
yeah.
उसका रफली आधा कर लीजिए, तो 50 दिन। तो
Yeah,
50 दिन
50
मतलब
days.
हम यहाँ से अगर 50 दिन गिनेंगे इसके, तो करीब करीब यहाँ पे आता है 50 दिन।
Hmm.
तो मोस्ट लाइकली ये 50 दिन में यहाँ पे आएगा, इसका होने के चांसेस हैं।
Chances है. This is a
हाँ
probability.
इसी प्रोबेबिलिटी, और दूसरा ये है कि उसका अर्निंग्स भी आ रहा है, अभी अभी क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट भी आ रहा है। नॉर्मली
Yeah,
जो है अर्निंग के पहले ऊपर जाता है, तो या तो ये यहाँ तक जाएगा, अर्निंग्स बढ़िया रहेगी, और ये
yeah,
और ऊपर जाएगा। तो अर्निंग्स पे अच्छी होने के कारण हो सकता है
yeah,
एक जंप मिले उसको, और यहाँ तक पहुंचे, और यहाँ से जंप मिलके 1-2 दिन में यहाँ, तो 50
yeah,
मुझे हम टारगेट लगा सकते हैं कि ये वहां पहुंचने की उम्मीद है। अगर गिरा,
yeah, yeah.
अगर गिरा तो 50 दिन में यहाँ आने की उम्मीद है, दोनों हो सकता है।
That got point. I got your point. I think so. Chances of going up is more because their fundamental is very good.
हाँ तो वो अगर ऐसा, अगर जनता को लगता है कि रिजल्ट अच्छा आने वाले हैं, तो देयर इज अ चांस दैट
Yeah.
विल गो अप।
Okay. Thank you very much, Samir bhai.
वेलकम सर। ओके, इन्फी में कम डाउन, यस इन्फी इज ऑन वी, नहीं इन्फी का थोड़ा सा एक इंटरेस्टिंग है, थोड़ा डिफरेंट टॉपिक है। मतलब मैं थोड़ा उसमें आई एम कंफ्यूज्ड माई सेल्फ। सी इन्फी में it might not go down drastically. The reason why I'm saying is the volume. if you see the volume that happened on the day of drop, ये है drop का day. Why I am zooming out is, पहले zoom in कर देता हूं मैं. ये वॉल्यूम है, इसका वॉल्यूम है करीब 53.172 million shares. This is the highest volume in last यहां पे हुआ था ये वॉल्यूम करीब जुलाई 2020. Okay, from there to here, this is so huge volume. See, even if FII are exiting, अगर वो exit कर रहे हैं तो they cannot sell it in air. Someone is buying, right? And if someone has bought so much millions of share, it cannot be common investor. Remember that. ये common investor के औकात के बाहर की बात है कि वो 53 million Infosys share खरीद ले. So if DII is purchasing, they are not fools. See, they also have their own calculations and their own way. They are not some punching back for FIIs कि नहीं मैं जा रहा हूँ मेरे से शेयर ले ले, कोई उधारी थोड़ी किसी DII की FII से. DII also are paying. They are also having people who analyze, people who understand the Infosys business, correct? And they are investing so much money. तो FII को जाने दो, कुछ भी होगा. पर ये किसी ने तो 53, हम तो 53 million रुपीस भी डालना एक कॉमन इन्वेस्टर को सबको मिला जुला के मुश्किल है. यहाँ 53 million into 1500 रुपीस की बात कर रहे हैं हम. So it's a huge thing, huge volume. I think even if Infosys goes down, अगर Infosys को जाना होता तो इतना volume तो नहीं होता. It might go sideways for some time and again recover. There is a possibility, but it can go down. You cannot say.
A beautiful ascending triangle is formation since 19th Jan.
19th Jan, हाँ, correct. ये 1, 2, 3, हाँ, ये we can say like this, yes. This one you are saying?
No. Make it a horizontal line. Start from 19th. No, go to 19th.
19th Jan.
19th Jan. Go to 19th Jan.
मैं तो बड़ा बना रहा था, मतलब it was as per me it was.
That will give a better view. Go to 19th Jan 22.
ये ठीक है?
19th Jan 22. I said
22.
19th Jan. Correct.
Jan 22 from here.
Correct. From here, and you draw the slanting line.
अच्छा, that way.
Horizontal line.
नहीं, ये थोड़ा सा ट्रायंगल के डेफिनेशन के काफी बाहर आता है ये. मतलब ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है क्योंकि इसमें
perfect horizontal line.
हाँ, नहीं, I agree with you, but
that's a beautiful triangle.
Yeah. So good, we will get कितने पे मिलेगा अपने को? If you are right, then we will get
700 पे मिलेगा. No, I already have in my kitty.
400 rupees पे मिलेगा अपने को.
I didn't before going to this triangle concept. I didn't knew this thing, but now I also started thinking on direction. But I already accumulating.
अच्छा. तो नहीं, पर I don't think it.
I also feel my son is just part of this.
What I feel is कि ये जो we can take this जो ये consolidation है triangle का. This sounds मुझे as per my this thing, this is more realistic. So 1650 से लेके 1350 minus so around 300 तो 1000 के आसपास तक we can say okay, it may stabilize if there was a support previous days in 1000, right? So 1000 के आसपास previously support था, तो maybe it will start accumulating somewhere at the rate of 1000, somewhere here, आप समझ लीजिए. But ठीक है, stock है, जा सकता है, stock market है.
Correct.
Okay, great. So any other discussion? Any other question? Okay, great. So fantastic discussion today. Good participation from everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you all for joining. See you on next Wednesday. Thanks a lot.